Outside in an AMG, right outside.
Okay,
Two-time
Trent.
baby girl, you know me. Still with
Okay,
the dogs
Trent.
that are inside. All the niggas wild, gotta watch the time. Lying right close. I'm outside.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another mod to the Camaro here. I did a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow already, it's the same as the YouTube channel. I'll put it right here for you guys. I was unsure about what I wanted to do today. So the poll was either I change up the exhaust setup, not the mufflers, just the setup. I'm gonna show you guys here in a second on the Camaro, or as you guys know from my Corsa video that I just dropped not that long ago, the truck is currently dumped. So I was gonna run tailpipes out the back on that one. So I put up a poll and you guys voted. Like I said, if you guys don't follow already, go follow me right now. I'm usually more active on there. You guys can participate in stories and stuff. I usually try to do this or that, whatever. You guys get the point. But let me go ahead and show you guys what we're changing up on the Camaro today. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we have an X-pipe here. This is a Corsa X-pipe, actually, that I bought off of my guy, Daniel. You guys follow JR Productions. He's usually in his videos a lot, but if you follow him on Instagram, I'll drop it right here. It's a Velvet 2SS. He bought a full Corsa exhaust system for his 14 to 15 Camaro, but he already had a 3-inch X-pipe. So I ended up buying this off of him. And currently on my car, as you guys know, I have headers. I have Corsa for my axle back, which is 3-inch, but the mid pipe is all stock. So on Camaros, the mid pipe is 2.5-inch, which the rest of the exhaust from factory is 2.5-inch. As you can see on this X pipe here, this is technically to mount to the OEM stock system, which is 2.5-inch, but then it just opens up to 3-inch, full 3-inch. Now, with this car being cammed, and we also have another mod that's coming that's gonna add some little spice to it again. This thing is gonna need to breathe. So with the headers, it's opened up and then they're basically next down and being choked down by the mid pipe, and then it opens back up again. So I've watched videos, done some research, and that's about 10 wheel horsepower that we can probably pick up today just by putting this on the car. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this X-pipe loaded up. We're going to head on over to Aces, not the same one as the Corsa video, and we're gonna get this installed on the car. I'm gonna throw in some sound clips too, because with this X-pipe and full 3-inch, the car should sound a little bit more throaty and have a deeper, slightly deeper tone to it. So let's go ahead, like I said, get loaded up, head on over there, and you know I gotta hit you with the cold start right quick. Alright guys, so as you can see, Nightwing is parked, which means we are at Aces. This is their Heights location. This location has worked on the truck the majority of the time whenever I changed up the exhaust, but right now we're just waiting on them to finish up another truck that has headers getting installed on it, and we're gonna pull in Nightwing and get the X-pipe taken care of. Probably won't show you guys the process. There's you've seen it before. So probably just gonna show you guys the comparison and then pick up from there. Alright guys, so huh? Sounds like it. Alright guys, so they just backed Nightwing off the lift, and I can already tell the difference, and I ain't even heard it up close yet. Okay guys, so you guys heard the before and after. The before was with the stock 2.5 inch H-pipe mid pipe that comes stock on these 5th gen Camaros, and the after was once we put on the 3-inch X pipe. So now we have full 3-inch exhaust from the headers all the way out to the tips. So I don't know if you can tell a lot on video, but the X pipe, it did change the tone of it. It's almost like it's a little bit more mellow than the H pipe, but it is still very aggressive. And it's almost like it got a tad bit quieter, but not like a very noticeable quieter. Just, it doesn't sound as loud as it was with the H pipe, which you would have to hear it in person to know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to try and get some sound clips while I'm up against this wall right here, so you guys can kind of hear it now with the X pipe. I know I didn't do it with the H pipe, but I was in traffic most of the time going there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these clips that you're about to hear. So as you could tell, it still sounds very aggressive, downshifting and moving. One other thing I forgot to mention is that now when I'm shifting gears, just kind of cruising, it pops a little bit more than it did with the H pipe. So I'm kind of happy about that. But yeah, guys, I'm very happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this whole transition with the exhaust. Is it a good thing, bad thing? How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. And with that being said, guys, it's probably going to be the end of this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh, truck content is coming very soon, so don't get worried. But yeah guys, like I said, end of this video, I'll catch you guys on the next one.